Managing cash flow takes on extra importance in today's economy for all businesses. Independent insurance agencies, of course, are no exception. A recent Insurance Journal survey found agencies are doing what they can. Some are imposing hiring or salary freezes. Basically, they're taking a look at their overall expenses and cutting or becoming more efficient where they can. Smart cash management pays off in many ways, and smart cash management is having the right banking services. According to Bob Pettinicchi, Executive Vice President and Senior Lending Officer for the insurance agents bank, InsurBanc, most agents are probably comfortable with the banking services and relationships they have now, but it's a very good time for them to take a second look at those services.
Well, this is a great time for agency owners to examine their banking, specifically how they manage their daily depositing to a bank and their cash management. An agency principal should want to deal with a bank that's stable and that provides value and services for them, services that they really need, like cash management, remote deposit taking, the ability to sweep funds into investment products. I think a lot of people take their banking relationship for granted and feel that they're getting the best deal from their bank if they're not paying much for it, or that if they're getting free services. There's truly nothing is free. There's a cost to everything. But really, a prudent agency owner will examine their banking relationship in the way their policyholders will examine their insurance from year to year. Don't take the banking relationship for granted.
In addition to perhaps taking their banking services for granted, some agents may also have taken their bank's financial soundness for granted. But in these times, it's more important than ever to monitor the financial soundness of your banks. This is also a time when agencies are likely to see an increase in slow pays and no pays among their receivables. And keeping on top of the receivables should be a high priority. Pettinicchi advises that while it can be hard to come down on some of these accounts that might be behind in payments, especially since many of them could be long-time accounts, agents must remember what business they're in when they're handling these.
Try to manage them carefully. Try not to extend terms to your clients. Avail yourselves to premium financing. Don't be a bank for your insureds. Leave the banking to the experts.